My name is Paul. I was born into a poor family. The conflict in my family has been occurred since I was born.
You coward! Why didn't you let me find him?
Your own father.
I won't call him my father.
My brother, William, who was so obsessed with a girl, was extremely intelligent when he was alive.
Will you raise these blouses and things for me?
Mother, Lily is very much in love with me now, but if I die, he would forget me in 3 months.
My dad is a miner who has to work below the earth every day, but I have never thought that I have him because he is very much into alcohols. To me, my mom is everything. She does not want my brother and me to be minors like that.
Why don't you like her?
I don't know. I have tried, but I can't.
I have never planned to marry anyone.
I don't want to marry. We shall not meet each other again, ever.
What do you want, Paul?
I don't know. I like to talk to her, Mother, but I like to come home to you. Mother.
Shh, don't cry. It's nothing.
How old were you when you married?
22.
8 years ago?
Yes.
You have never met the right woman.
Mariam, will you marry me?
I would be great, but she is married woman.